Today I am going to talk about very new topic and very important topic, which is called del keyword in Python list or delete keyword in Python list, right? So what is that? The delete keyword in Python is used to what the delete an item means in single item. You will delete in multiple items, even the what the entire list from memory, right? It means that we will have what the three syntaxes of what the delete keyword, right? First one is delete one item. So this is the syntax of deleting the one item of in Python list, right? So del keyword, then after we will use the name of list, then we will use the what index we want to delete. It means that delete any item in the list, right? Now we have a example of list in which we have stored the string values, right? I want to delete the items, right? Then I will use the del keyword, right? Then after I will use the fruits, right? Name of list. Then I will give the what the index I want to delete the value, right? Now I will print on the screen and you will get what the output, right? Now I will run this program and you will get what this is the output. Apple is deleted from the list, right? So this is what the deleting an item in the list by using a what index value, right? This is the syntax of what deleting multiple items. We will use the del keyword. Then after we will write the name of list. Then after we will use the start index and end index. It means that you can use the slicing function, right? Now we have the same list of string values. Want to delete the first two elements, right? So I will use the del keyword. Then I will use the name of list. Then I will use the parenthesis in which will give the 0 colon 2, right? Now I will print on the screen. You will get what the right. Now I will run this program. You will get what the first two element deleted from the list, right? Apple and right. You can use the slicing by the using of delete keyword, right? Now in the last we have a what delete the entire list. We will use the del keyword and then after we will write the name of the list, right? No need to print on the screen because the entire list will be deleted, right? So we will write the name of fruits, sorry, we will use the del keyword, then after we will use the name of list, right? I will run this program. You will, if you print that output on the screen, you will get what an error, right? I will run program. You not print on the screen, then you will get what empty, nothing. Means the list totally element are deleted. And so this is all about the delete keyword in Python, right? If you're new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.